IQAN Go app allows for operators to use their mobile devices as a modem to connect their Salford air boom to the internet, allowing remote personnel to perform operations such as troubleshooting, software updates, configuration, calibration, and more over a remote connection. This video will walk you through the remote connection process through the IQAN Go app. To start, the operator must have the machine turned on and open the IQAN Go app on their mobile device. Also ensure that Bluetooth is turned on for the mobile device to allow connection to the air boom. In the app, locate the connection section in the menu and click on the remote assistance option. A pop-up menu will come up and begin detecting the nearby machine. Once detected, select the air boom option and click the connect button. Once connected, there will be a code under IQAN Connect Key as shown. In order for remote personnel to connect to this machine, this code will need to be sent to them. Once this is sent to them, they will be able to remotely connect to the operator's air boom. From the remote personnel's perspective, they can now open the IQAN Go app from anywhere with an internet connection. Within the app's menu, click the Connect to Machine option. From the pop-up menu, select the Internet option and connect to the air boom using the IQAN Connect key sent by the operator. The app will then ask for login information. If you do not have a login, contact Salford to gain access to the required login credentials. Once logged in, the connection will be established, and the remote personnel can measure or adjust various inputs and outputs. The measurement groups include boom fold status, sensors, boom outputs, fan info, ECU diagnostics, and operator input. The adjust groups include limp mode override, limp mode speeds, service mode, calibrate angle sensors, main fold speed, tip cylinder minimum current, and fan control. With these options, remote personnel can assist operators in the field no matter how far away they may be, providing improved service and flexibility for your Salford air boom.